Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're having a great day and a great time wherever you are. And today I'm gonna be telling you how to fix your eyelashes. The first thing guys, the tools. Now you're gonna need some tweezers like this or like this, or look for a lash applicator like this. This one is from Vela Lashes. I will link the price down below. And then you need some glue, eyelash glue, like this one, or like this one, or like this one, or like this one. There are many different kinds of glues, but the one I prefer most is by Kadani. I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon. Mwah! The best eyelash glue ever. It's like the super glue for lashes. Very nice guys. And then you're also gonna need some small scissors to cut your lashes. So those are the tools. Number 2, you need to trim your lashes. Most of these lashes, they don't come customized to everybody's eye shape, like this one right here. Hope it's clear. These ones are the Vela lashes in the style winging. Now these lashes, they were longer than this. I had to trim them up to match my eye shape. And when you're trimming your eyelashes, always trim from the longer side, which is the outer corner, to this side. Don't trim them at the inner corner. The inner corner is more the short part. Don't trim that one, otherwise your eyelash will lose its shape. So that brings us to point number 3. You have to measure your eyelashes. You just take your eyelashes, you just hold them up, look down, and see how far they are. Just place them on top of your lashes and see how long they are. Are they connecting the outer corner and the inner corner? Look at the length of the lashes. That's how you measure them. Just look down, you see how long it's supposed to be. Point number 4 guys, put some glue on your eyelash. So take your lash glue and apply your lash glue on the lash band. Less is more guys, don't put a lot, just a little bit. More on the outer corners, those parts that tend to lift up. So, and then you won't apply it immediately after putting the glue on. You have to wait for it to be tacky. So kind of do like this, puliza it kidogo, and wait for it to be tacky. Number 5 guys, always look down when you're applying your eyelashes. Don't look straight, don't look up, don't look sideways, just look down when you're applying your lashes. If you look up, if you look straight, it's gonna interfere with the way the lashes will look like. So always get your mirror and look down when you're applying your eyelashes. Just look down. If you have an eyelash applicator, it's better, but I prefer dropping it with my hands, then using the lash applicator to apply to the corners of my eye. So look down guys, and slowly drop it right to your lash line. Then take the tweezers and you connect them. This might be hard at the first time if your lashes are new. Find that you have a situation like this guys, where you have some glue down here. Make sure you remove it because it will get sticky. So the next point is to always make sure you go in with your lash applicator, your tweezers. You pinch your eyelashes with the false lashes to make them stick together. That's why you have a lash applicator tool like this one. It comes in handy. You're gonna go back in, still looking down, and you're going to squeeze them together. Make them friends. One is done. Let me just show you the next one as well. Let me zoom you up more closer this time so you can see it in more detail. Again, going to the lash glue. This is a House of Lashes glue, which is also very nice. My Kadani glue has already dried up, so let me not even mess with that one. So again, Here's your lash. Apply the glue on the lash band slowly, less is more. So the same procedure, we're going to look down and you're going to drop that lash on our lash line. Look down and then you drop it slowly. Once you've already dropped to the center part, just take your lash applicator and you connect them both. So now we have both lashes fixed on both eyes, on that eye and on that other eye. Next point, guys, always use a black eyeliner instead of a mascara to go over your natural lashes, to kind of merge your natural lashes with the fake lashes. A black eyeliner works better. This one is from MAC. This is a MAC eyeliner kajal. So let me just twist it up. This is a trick that I learned from Jacqueline Hill here on YouTube. So it kind of makes your lashes look more fuller and more dramatic. So just look down again and okay, not look down, okay, look up a bit. So we're gonna just go underneath it, just kind of like that, in that motion, just upwards motion, kind of like merging your natural lashes with the false lashes. So just go over it like this. This is more easier and more better than using a black mascara. A black eyeliner, believe me, works magic. Works way much better. So do that on that eye and also do that on the other eye. So the next part is to make sure you have a black eyeliner over your lashes. It helps to conceal the lash band. Alternatively, you can have the eyeliner done before, like the way I did. You put the wing eyeliner. It doesn't have to be a wing eyeliner, it can just be a black eyeliner, so long as it's concealing the lash band. That's the whole point of putting a black eyeliner. Just go in, don't use a pencil liner, use a liquid eyeliner. Any black liquid eyeliner is good. And that, guys, concludes my video. I hope you've learned how to put on false lashes. It's super easy, guys. You can do it. Use any lashes that you have and any lash glue that you have to begin with, and use tweezers and just try out different styles. Try doing it more often. If it's your first time that you're putting on lashes, you're gonna be feeling a little bit weird. You're gonna feel like you have something in your eyes, like you wanna remove them. But I promise you, guys, the more you do it, the more easy and the more natural your lashes feel like, and the more easy it is to apply it. If you're going somewhere like for a date, for example, or you're going for a meeting or whatever it is, and it's your very first time putting on lashes, I recommend, and this is from my experience, I recommend you carry some lash glue and some tweezers, just in case your lashes start lifting up during the meeting or before the meeting. Just to avoid any kind of embarrassment, you don't want to remove them. Just have your lash glue in your bag and your tweezers, so you can easily fix them in the bathroom. And it goes without saying, guys, if you have eyelashes on, avoid rubbing your eyes. If you're feeling sleepy, you know how you just rub your eyes, avoid doing that, because if you do that, well, it's obvious you're going to destroy your eyelashes and your eyeshadow. So, guys, hope you learned something. If you want to see more videos like this, videos to do with beauty and makeup, please subscribe to my channel so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Comment down below, guys, if you'd like to see a tutorial on this eye look that I did. Let me look down so you can see it. I used the Joanna K Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. If you want to see this look, how I achieved it, let me know down below in the comments section. Until next time, guys, see ya!